What's up, you guys? So it is Saturday today. I had like a very late start. I have my brunch here and then my coffee. This is a protein coffee. I don't know if you guys caught that. I want to go to the gym later, just stay on the Stairmaster. I like to stay on the Stairmaster for about 40 minutes and that'll help me burn 1,000 calories. Now I don't know how accurate it really is, if it actually burns 1,000 calories, but I like to stay on there as like a goal. Some days I stay on for 5 minutes, and then the really good days, which are my cardio days, I like to stay on for 40 minutes. I'm really not doing much today, so I decided to make myself some breakfast. I want to clean up around the house a little bit. I need to get some laundry done. I do want to go grocery shopping. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. I'm gonna enjoy my food. I'm just gonna open a few packages here. So this one is, I believe, from Name Necklace. Why does it say Sophia? Just came in a jewelry bag like that. Comes with a little wipe. The presentation's kind of you know? Comes like that. I feel like my worry for jewelry is just when it's gonna start, you know, to tarnish and how long it would be wearable for. This one is the bracelet. It's a super long name, but this one is called the personalized name bracelet. Any name bracelet, 14 gold plated in golden. And then this one is the necklace. So this one is the personalized name necklace, 14 karat gold plated silver. I got just Kisha on both of them. So it's a jewelry shop that customizes your necklaces to, you know, put your name or your, you know, your family name, your personal name, your nickname. They have bracelets, different types of necklaces. I decided to go for gold because that's usually my go-to. So the next package is from insert name here. So I got the Maya pony in dark brown and then the Ali pony in dark brown as well. So I already have two ponies from insert name here. I have the Shayla pony, which I'll pop right here. And then I have the Leanne pony, which I'll also show you guys right here. This one is the Maya pony, super long, straight pony. You can probably create a couple different looks. You can either leave it straight, you can probably braid it, or you can probably add some elastics to it, make it look really trendy, but I'm excited to try this one. I've definitely been wanting some length in my ponies, so I'm really excited for this one. You just have to always be careful with synthetic hair because obviously it is synthetic, so it's not real hair, but this hair, like as it comes already, you can brush it, you can keep it nice and intact. And then of course, this is the Ali pony. I feel like the Ali pony I can just tie up, and I can probably wear this one to work, which would probably be nice. Make me look a little more put together, but it's got some loose waves. I really like it. I think it looks super natural. Yeah, I'm excited to try this one. I think it's really cute. Maybe I should let you guys know that if you guys are already interested in getting insert name hair ponies, I do have a discount code. It's Kisha15 for 15% off, I believe. I'll also remind you guys later as well when I try it on. This one is from LUX Skin. So I've been actually using their IPL handset already, but this one is the premium version. So I think this is the newer one. It's supposed to work a little stronger. So I'm really excited to try this one. So this one is a blow brush that you would use to blow dry your hair, and then it also gives you like kind of a blowout situation. I've seen actually a few people use this online. Instead of using a round brush and a blow dryer, you can probably just use this one. I also got some acne patches. They're just little patches that you would put on your acne. It is recommended to leave overnight for the best results. So you want to leave these overnight, and then in the morning, you will definitely see a difference in your acne. As you guys know, I break out a lot around my chin area. And then the last thing from LUX Skin is this hair waver. I have a crimper. The crimper I feel like kind of makes it look a little kinky. This one is definitely going to make it look more seamless and just nice and wavy, kind of a beach vibe. So I'm really excited to try this one. This is their hair waver. The last one here is from Rosalind. So this is a bunch of their gel nail polishes. I really like Rosalind. If you guys have watched my channel from the beginning, then you guys know I've already been using Rosalind products. I really think their gel polishes are really good for beginners, especially because they're really inexpensive. So I get them off of Amazon, but they just sent me a bunch of different colors. Oh, I wish I could show you guys the colors. There's like a blue here. There's a green. They're just little mini sample colors. I do have these nail acrylic displays where I can paint the nail color on. So maybe I will paint a bunch of these colors on my little acrylic displays and then show you guys what the colors look like, because there's so many colors. Obviously I want you guys to know all the colors that I have here. You guys know I love doing my nails. I actually want to change my nail color now. I'm so sick of it. So I think I'm gonna do some laundry right now because I ain't got nothing else to do. I need to do some chores. So I didn't really have a lot of clothes to clean. Just gonna do like 3 small loads. I don't know if I'm gonna film them all for you guys. I think I'll start with the colors. I'm gonna go in with some Resolve on certain pieces that have like stains and stuff. So I'm gonna let it soak for a second. I have my sleeping mask that I went to sleep with mascara on, and it made like, do you see that? The mascara kind of smudged. But yeah, I'm gonna put that in the wash. And Resolve really works, you guys. If you guys have stains, make sure to use Resolve before you put it in the washer. For detergent, I'm using my True Earth Eco Strips. I just use one for a regular load. Okay, now I'm gonna take these towels up that were just sitting there because obviously I forgot to take them up last time I did laundry. Going by fast. It's already 3:30. So to cleanse my face, I'm gonna use the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Deep Pore Cleanser. And then I'm going to go in with the Australian Pink Face Clay Mask. I'm kind of lazy to grab my Duvel out right now. I'm just going out with my hands to wash my face. Now I'm gonna go in with the face mask. I'm gonna use the brush that I came with. I don't think I've ever used it. I definitely feel like I would use a lot more product if I was using my finger. As you guys can see, that already dried up pretty quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my laser hair removal, you know, while I wait for my laundry. So I put you guys on the stand. This actually dried so quickly. So I'm gonna use the new laser hair removal from Lux. If you guys have watched my previous videos, you guys know I've already been using the first one from LUX Skin. I really like it. I know a lot of you have asked me about it, asking if it works. My arms and my legs, I've been seeing like a huge difference. I barely have to do it on my arms and legs. The only part that's been kind of taking a while is my underarms and my bikini area. Those are areas that have coarser hair, so the hair's a lot thicker, so it's a lot harder to get rid of. This was super easy to use. You just plug it in. This is their newer version. So this one is called the LUX Skin Premium IPL hand set. I'm just excited to change it up. Maybe this one will work a little bit better. So there's 5 different levels on here. I think I'm gonna start off with the 3rd level right here. So I'm gonna start it on my arm. I feel like I need glasses. This is super bright. Okay, level 3 does not hurt one bit. I'm gonna try level 4. Okay, I'm trying level 5 right now. Okay, level 5 feels good. That's the highest though. This part is definitely sensitive. Okay, so it's been well over, I don't even know how long I was supposed to keep this on. It doesn't even say on here how long you're supposed to keep it on, but I would say it's been a half an hour. So I'm gonna clean this now. So now my skin feels way better. So I'm gonna go ahead and change my laundry now. And then I might catch up with you guys when I get ready for the gym. I'm gonna leave in like about an hour or so. So I just did my hair here and then I put on some workout clothes. So the leggings are from Amazon and then the sports bras from Amazon. The leggings came in a set. It actually comes with like a kind of t-shirt looking crop top. It's really cute, but I decided to wear a sports bra just because I know I'm gonna be sweating a lot and I don't really like sweating in the t-shirt. And then after I'm gonna go to the grocery store, so I need to make a list real quick. So let's do that. Honestly, I hate going to the grocery store and I don't know what I'm getting. I end up getting more than I need, or I end up getting double of things that I already already have. So by doing this, you can kind of browse through your kitchen and see what you have already. And that way you don't have to like buy extra. You guys can see it's pouring outside. I'm gonna go on the Stairmaster. I wanna hit 1,000 calories. Probably gonna be my Saturday workout. I don't know if I'm gonna do any ab workouts, core workouts. We'll see. It's 5 o'clock right now, so I have 2 hours. The Stairmaster is just gonna be like the first hour or like 40 minutes. I will see you guys when I'm done my workout and you guys can see the befores and afters. So this is before, you know, all the sweat. This is the aftermath. I'm really happy with myself that I got my workout done because honestly I was kind of like I should rest, but then again I was like it helps me just like be grounded. I get a lot of my thoughts out while I'm on the Stairmaster. I listen to my music, I'm in my head. I just like I enjoy the Stairmaster for that. I think that's why I stay on for so long and I can like get through it. Not every day is like, you know, a crazy cardio day. Daily I do like 5 to 10 minutes on the Stairmaster, and then some days when I feel a little extra I'll do like 600 calories, which is usually like 20 minutes, I believe. So I'm pretty proud of myself. I want to keep that going. I'm gonna head upstairs. I'm gonna take another shower here. I just took a body shower. So now I'm gonna put on my firming Nivea lotion and then my coconut oil. This is my favorite combo. I think this is gonna go away. They're just like red marks. They kind of look like hives. What's happening? I don't have any marks on my legs, so I'm wondering why it's on my arms. Now I'm gonna go in with the Nivea lotion. So I tied my hair up. I don't want to put any product in my hair, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. So now I'm gonna try the Ali Pony first. This is the shorter one. I like these because they come with bobby pins. Let me just flip it over. So I'm gonna flip my head. So all the ponies come with 2 bobby pins and they're really good quality. They're super sturdy. Oh, I like it. So that's the Ali Pony. I actually really like it. It actually blends in really well with my hair, so it just looks like it's all one length. So that's the Ali Pony from the back. I think it's so cute. The waves are like perfect, and I think it's a perfect length for my hair. What do you guys think of the back? I think I'm obsessed. I feel like you can wear this one anywhere. Really pretty. So that's what the top looks like. I didn't really smooth it out properly, but of course, when I have time in gel, I'll definitely do that. But I just really wanted to see this before I go to bed. I like it. I think it's really pretty. So this one is described as a 18-inch mid-length with soft beachy waves. There's 19 different colors that you can get in this one, so definitely check it out. I definitely would wear this one out like on the daily, and it's not too heavy. It doesn't feel like it's weighing down my hair. Maybe that's because it's like the same length as my hair, so it's not that bad. But I'm gonna retie my hair because I know Maya is gonna be super heavy. So I have layers, but when I tie my hair like in this angle, it definitely looks like a blunt cut. So I'm gonna have to like figure out how I would wear with this pony because I'm pretty sure it's gonna show through. So I think I already told you guys earlier, but this is 26 inches, so it's super long. Okay, like I said, my hair is peeking through for sure. So I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna wear it with my hair. You guys probably can't see it properly, but maybe if I turn around, it looks really, really nice. The hair feels so smooth and it feels like very realistic. I feel like it's super weird seeing me with like a big long pony like that. I feel like I would want to do like a different style. I think I know what I want to do with this hair. I definitely have an idea of a certain look I want to pull off. You can get the Maya pony in 36 different colors, so you guys should definitely check that out. This one is described as a 26-inch extra long and sleek pony. I have to figure out how I'm gonna wear my short hair under it. I feel like with this certain pony, because it's straight, you can get away with doing like a braid on it. You can get away with putting some cute ponies in it. I'm really excited to see what different looks I can do besides just keeping it straight. I think it looks really good. Okay, so that was the Maya pony. I'm really excited to try some different looks with that. This one seems more like versatile. I feel like I can do way more looks with this one because it's super long. So I'm in bed now. I actually just started watching Grey's Anatomy and I don't even know why it took me so long just to start it, but I'm on season 2. I also want to watch the challenge too, so I might watch that. But yeah, that is the end of this video. So yeah, you guys, that was my Saturday. It's super chill. I just spent the day at home. Anything that I've mentioned throughout this video, I will have everything linked down below. Any discount codes, so make sure to check out the description box. But if I did forget something, make sure to leave a comment and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. But anyways, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you do want to see any more videos from me, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. But anyways, I am going to finish watching my shows and just relax for the rest of the night. So yeah, bye guys.